Hi, Mr. Abdullah. Are you familiar with Sacred, the parental control app?
I'm aware of it and have installed it on my child's phone, but I'm uncertain about how it operates.
Oh, don't worry. I can explain how it works to you. Upon installing Sacred, pressing the home button will prompt a screen to appear, giving you the option to either use your phone via the home launcher or grant access to Sacred. If you wish to share your phone with your kid, you'll be presented with a screen recording option, giving you the choice to either start the recording by clicking Start Now or cancel it by entering your password and select OK. Choose the specified button when the screen appears to activate Sacred mode, allowing your kids to access only approved websites, YouTube channels, and apps.
Okay. How to block websites and YouTube channels.
Access your account on www.minarsoft.com by clicking on the three bars, entering your login credentials, and pressing the login button. Once you're in, you'll be able to manage website, YouTube channel, and app access by allowing, restricting, or blocking them. Device will receive these changes in 15 minutes, or next sign will receive these updates. Sacred by Minarsoft.